get the tote out. Here's the tote. So this is a little tote you could easily take to the pool or the beach with you. Instead of your typical, you know, basket weave or canvas, this is rubber. That's actually, that could be a cute purse to go out to eat dinner if you're going to eat seafood. I think that'd be your little purse. Just throw your stuff in there and go. It's just a simple tote, y'all. But that's very cool, very durable. What I like about it is it can get sand, water, whatever on it, and you can literally rinse it off. I love that, actually. And let's face it, you could take this towel. Let's fold this towel right back up. Obviously, I'll need to wash it, but it actually smells wonderful, y'all. So let's just roll it back up. Maybe all the way, like that. And just roll it. And look, you put that, sunglasses if you wear them. My glasses are sunglasses. Your tanning oil or whatever, blocker or whatever. Your phone charger if you want to have that in with you if you're going to read through a phone. Or you could put in a little paperback book in here if you wanted to read, or your Bible or a devotional or something like that if you wanted to. I like to use that kind of time for a Bible time, y'all, when I'm on the beach. And sometimes I just want to read a good book. You know, something light, you know, just a good story book. And those are certainly available. And you can get good Christian books like that. They don't all have to be romance novels. And you can even have romance novels that are appropriate. So, anyway, so that's great. I'm trying to think what else would be good to be in here. Well, let's just keep going. But that's great. I think that's great for poolside. Let's just go ahead and look at the next obvious thing that's kind of in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out anyway. Let's say you don't want to get sun at the beach, or if you don't want to go out looking so white if you are a light-skinned person. Or even if you're not, if you're darker skinned, but you just don't want to look lighter than normal when you go to the beach. You want to have a little tone to your color. This is a medium to dark self-tanning, and it looks like it's a very high-end. It says streak-free, instant drying, bronze golden finish. Now, the other thing I would say about this is, I know she's real into a tan, so she's not going to put you in any kind of a product that's not going to give you a good-looking tan. My thing will be, how does it smell? The good thing is it comes with a mitt, so it doesn't get all over your hands when you're rubbing it in. You rub it in with the mitt. And it's washable and reusable, so that's great. I'm very excited about that. You don't got to go to the beach to have a tan. All right, let's see what else. So along with walking to the beach, there was a sarong. Here it is. Instead of a blue tone, this is more of a sea green tone. It says green palm leopard. Oh, there's a little bit of leopard print behind the palm leaves. So that's nice. You know, it's just an abstract. It's not an actual leopard animal. It's just the little leopard spots. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Let me find it where it's prominent. There it is. Like right there. See the little leopard. And then there's the palm branches. And this is just a sarong. It's what you tie around your waist. And it just kind of covers you up when you're walking to the pool or when you're walking back. Or, you know, to your room at a hotel. Or if you're just at the beach and you want to walk. It says Lotus and Luna 100% rayon made in Thailand. Now that would tell me this is not machine washable. This would be a dry clean item. Also, if you have a party out at the pool, you could wear this out to the pool. Or if you're going over to, like I have a friend, she has a pool. I don't have a pool. And she has a pool, and she said, you know, Beth, you mentioned several times you didn't get to go on a vacation the last year or two. And it's actually been 3. And, I mean, like, go anywhere. And not just because of COVID, but just because my husband's self-employed, so when he's not here, he's not making money near the people that work for him. And so, hold on, I'm trying to say thank you for joining our mission to help the cycle of poverty for women in Thailand. So see, again, they always pick things that, again, this is women owned, but it's also to help stop abuse and poverty in a certain nation. This one's in Thailand. Handcrafted with love. It shows you a picture of the person who made your item. War International Women at Risk International also does that. They actually have a picture of the person that makes your item. And what their name is. Oh, it says her name is Fa, F-A-H. She's lived in the same village in northern Thailand her entire life. She's a single mother of 2 children and cares for the elderly women in her home. She prefers work from home and enjoys spending more quality time with her loved ones. Thank you for joining our mission to help break the cycle of poverty and teaching our artisans with new and individual skills, fair wages, and give them the freedom to work from their homes while caring for their families. This allows their small village economies to grow and not only be sustainable, but to grow. Their promise is that by shopping with these retailers, you allow them to support talented women and grow their small communities. So I think that's fantastic. I think rayon is something you have to dry clean, but I'll look. So would you wear this to the beach and then take it to the dry cleaner? I don't know. This is so pretty, I might use this for decorating instead of, I mean, that would be pretty over a small table. That's how pretty that would be, like in the sunroom. That's how nice this is, y'all. Again, you could fold it up, roll it, put it in your little beach tote going out, or you could wear it out to the pool or to the beach. And you know how sometimes it's windy on the beach and the sand stings you? So it is nice to have a sarong or something on, and then you just have your bathing suit on the top and then the sarong on the bottom. My belly's so big, I don't know if I will use this in that way. I don't know. I need to get my belly size down is what I need to do and be healthier, right? We need to take better care, not just the appearance, but take better care of ourselves so that we don't have to deal with things like diabetes and heart problems and things of that nature. Sometimes I'm wondering if that's why I'm starting to have the eczema I'm having is some of my diet. And then Pammy and Marsha, a couple of y'all have mentioned that it also can be some of the products you use. So I'm trying to, stay clear of things like sulfates and stuff like that aren't great for that kind of a problem. Okay, here's the Tunisian oil by Marine and Vine. It's a radiant Manoi body oil. You spray it. So let's just open it and see what it looks like. This just me. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's got a very nice scent. I was afraid it's going to smell like vegetable oil, to be honest. Just do a little tiny bit. Because usually these oils are very oily. And I'm going to keep it away from that sarong, too. So you have to make sure you rub them in real good. Oh, that's a really nice scent, y'all. It smells like a nice hotel. It's a cross between like a tubal rose, a real pure tubal rose, and vanilla. It does not smell like coconut like I thought it would, or like a coconut vanilla or coconut lime. And look, it definitely blends into the skin really well, but it leaves a bit of moisture. Tahitian Radiant Manoi Body Oil. It's not super shimmery, so is it supposed to massage in for radiant, nourished skin with a satin finish for optimal nourishment applied to freshly showered and padded dry skin. Okay. And I guarantee you they've checked ingredients. I'm not going to do that right now because they're very into all that. And then last but not least, I think this is last. Yeah, so let's get all this stuff back in here. Aww. Lotus and Luna also had a sticker, Choose Kindness. I'm starting to use more stickers on my journals and planners and Bibles and stuff like that. I'm just wanting to have more fun with that stuff. Usually I try to keep it so elegant. It's like, have more fun with it. Alright, so look how they put this in a bag to make sure it does not get on anything because it's a spray product, can explode in shipping. That was very smart. And I'm going to keep that in case I take it to the beach, but when I put this in my suitcase for the trip. This trip I'm talking about. Actually, me and Lance are hoping to go to a place that has a beach, so maybe I will use this. Beach Please Sea Salt Texturizing Spray plus biotin. It's sulfate free, Pammy, and paraben free. No fox given. What does that mean? No fox was given. I guess that means their life was not Prepare to kill the hair game with this little gem. Spray and tousle your hair. Happy styling. You know what? You don't always have to wait till the beachy day. Let's just do it. Alright. I'm just going to kind of put it on the bottom part of my hair. Oh, it smells wonderful. I don't have a candle for those of you that might worry. And then just kind of scrunch it up. And it just, what it does is it probably adds a little bit of oil and texture so that it looks fluffy without having to use a lot of hairspray. It's not going to have shape. It's just going to be a little fluffier. So you're not going to freeze anything in position or anything like that. If you need to do that, you're going to have to use a little bit of hairspray. So what do y'all think? Do you see texture? I do. I see texture. It just kind of makes it look a little healthier, a little more tousled and casual, but in a nice kind of way. Well, y'all, do I think that was worth it? The mask for calming the skin, we'll see how much difference that really makes. I like the fact that it's saying, let me pamper you. I think this is for sea salt texturizing sprays. I used to use the BB one. I like this as far as $5.23. I think it's really a pretty bottle. The white with the black paint splatters and then that turquoise, like Tiffany blue. So I really do like it. I like the way it's sprayed on evenly. And I like the smell. It's not a smell I can't stand because sometimes you'll get these things and the smell's just awful and I can't use it. But I like the smell. I do feel like it makes my hair look a little more moisturized. And then, honestly, between the sarong, the little tote, and the towel, and then the oil, and the tanner with the glove, I think this is a good box. I would get it again. I'll probably get the